Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. All right, so I'm doing a giveaway here, a just for fun cooking giveaway. I mentioned this before in a couple of my earlier videos where I talked about this, and we were doing some cleanup and all the cookbooks and stuff that my mom had and stuff that we'd inherited. We were getting rid of some of them, and hey, wait a minute, I might as well give some of them away here. So, not sure which day it's going to be. It's going to be on a Friday, one of the Friday lives, either July 2nd or 9th, and we'll let you know as we get closer to it. We're going to do the giveaway in the middle of that live stream. We got several things here. I'm going to go over some of the prizes here. Got the Fine Art of Garnishing, along with the video cassette for it, tools, and a antique, sort of like a Miss Manners guide to how to set up the your plates and stuff and your silverware settings and stuff. All right, that's going to be one group, and then another one I'm giving away here is what's washing out: Wagon Wheels Kitchens, food on the Oregon Trail, and this is actually good for prepping and stuff as well, because it talks about what they had to stock up with, their equipment, everything, how they cook while on the trail. And in emergencies and stuff, you're basically doing the same thing. One of the other books I talked about, I hadn't shown it yet. Stop pixelating there. There we go. The Frugal Gourmet. This one here is loaded with recipes, and it's not going to wash out. Recipes, diagrams, and everything else on it. So really good one there. And there's another Frugal Gourmet, another book. If it's still there when I get back there on Friday, I'm going to pull it and add it to the giveaway. I'll see what other cookbooks. We put out 30 or 40 of these books out there on a table out in front of the house for people to take as they walk by. And if there's any still there, I'm going to grab some of those and we'll give those away too as well. So rules, what do you need to do to win this? So the rules for the giveaway, I was going to put up a little thing, but that's just getting too ridiculous. Simple rules. You got to be present to win, because those that are commenting in the live stream, the program I use for the spinning wheel draws the names off of whoever's there, and then puts it on the wheel and spins it. You got to be there, and once your name has been picked, you have 1 minute to reply in the chat. Yes, I'm here. I got it. Da, da, da. And so then we can go on to the next book we're going to be giving away. That's basically it. You got to be there and you got to respond once your name's been drawn. Other than that, and then once you've been drawn, then you'll need to send your mailing address to me down below in the comment section. On the very bottom, it lists the email address, and you just email your mailing address to me, and then I can send whichever one you win off to you. All righty? So, as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. Plant a garden if you can. Plant anything, even if it's a couple pots. Little miniature tomatoes in them, or basil or whatever else. Plant something. Also, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, click the little red button down that says subscribe, turn it gray, ring the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, I got a couple of videos here. I got a 20-second end segment here that just highlights some videos you may want to take a look at. They may pique your interest. They may not, but it's something to check out. All righty, take care.